Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm sick, if you can't tell. Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY ring light. I'm using it right now to film this intro and the outro so you guys can kind of tell. There's no lights on in my room except for this light, so you guys can kind of tell like the quality and everything. Really inexpensive. I'm gonna have the prices and everything right on the screen once we get into the video. So yeah, let's get into it.
What you're going to need for this is LED rope light. This is from Walmart for $12.88. You're also going to need zip ties. This was also from Walmart for $1.78. You're also going to need a wreath ring, which was from Joann Fabrics for $2.99. First off, you're going to take the ring and the LED lights, and you're going to begin wrapping the lights around the ring, but you're going to be adding the zip ties at the beginning as well as a few places in the middle. You'll be able to see where I'm putting mine and what I'm doing with it. You're going to complete the wrapping until you get to the end of the light, and once you're finished wrapping and zip tying all around, you're just going to cut the excess from the zip ties.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the little bell to get notified when we post. It's 2018. I'm really excited for the year. I have some videos planned. I'm just gonna wait until I'm not sick anymore to film them and to get them out there for you guys. So yeah, so here's to 2018, and see you guys in the next video.